She's an AI influencer, Aitana Lopez, and you know what? She's making crazy money online. Now, a lot of people are trying to create influencers like her, but most of them end up with results like this. When I tried it myself, here's what I got. Pretty similar, right? In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the exact process to create your own AI influencer. One that looks consistent, professional, and ready to go viral in every single image. Let's jump in. Step 1. Build the base model image. If you want to create an AI influencer, it all starts with one perfect image. We'll use a tool called Edimakor for that. If you haven't tried it yet, the link's in the description. Once you're inside, click on AI Image from the left menu. We'll be using the text-to-image tool. This feature lets you generate a completely new character just by typing the prompt. Here's an example prompt. Full body image of a stunning 25-year-old white female model with a youthful face, radiant glowing skin. You can describe any kind of model you want, and if you're not confident with writing prompts, no worries. Edimakor even has an AI copywriting tool to help you out. For the style, choose Ultra Realism. Then adjust the resolution, aspect ratio, and the number of images you want to generate. When everything's set, click Generate. In just a few seconds, your AI model will appear. Look at that. Stunning, right? Now, choose the picture that best fits your model. Once you've locked in the perfect base image, it's time to move on to the real magic. Step 2. Generate images of the character in different background scenes. Now that we've built our base model, the next step is to create variations. New outfits, different backgrounds, fresh poses, but keeping the same face and body every time. For this, we'll use the reference image feature in Edimakor. There are two modes. Smart Reference for general matching. Characteristics for more precise results. We'll use this one first. Upload the model image you just created. You'll find it in Edimakor's local folder. Now you'll see two sliders. Face Intensity controls how closely the face matches. Subject Intensity controls the body and overall features. I usually keep both somewhere in the middle, just enough to keep her recognizable while still allowing for variety. Now, type your prompt describing the changes you want in the image. Example: replace background with a modern cityscape at night, soft lights. Click Generate, and boom! You'll get a new image that still looks like your model, but with the new scene applied. Now let's change her outfit using Smart Reference. Upload the same base image, set the intensity, and enter a prompt like, same model and pose, change outfit to a black leather jacket with jeans. Hit Generate, and you'll see, her face and pose stay the same, but the outfit changes perfectly. I followed the exact same process to create a few more images, trying out different poses, outfits, and vibes, and as you can see, each one came out looking spot on. Clean, sharp, and super consistent. Step 3. Bring her to life. One static image isn't enough to blow up on social media. To really grab attention, you need short, eye-catching videos that make people stop scrolling. So let's jump into the AI video section. You'll find tons of fun templates here that turn your still image into a lively, animated character. You can even build something from scratch, but let's keep it easy for now. We'll try out a few templates and see how they perform. Just upload your model, adjust a few settings, hit Generate, and boom! Your model is no longer just a photo. She's moving, dancing, full of life. Let's move ahead and test a few more templates to make our video even better. But first, check these out. Here are the 3 templates we're going to try. And here's what we got. Pretty awesome, right? This kind of content really grabs attention and has a high chance of going viral. Now you've seen how easy it is to build your own AI influencer, just like Aitana Lopez, all with the help of Edimakor. Give it a try and see the magic for yourself. And hey, if this video helped you even a little, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I've got more powerful and easy tutorials coming your way soon.